Skillsonic is a Swiss skill training organization, and we spearhead building core manufacturing competency in the workforce and in fresh joining youth who are moving into the manufacturing sector. India aims to boost electric vehicle industry to bring transportation revolution and save 1 gigatons of carbon dioxide emission by 2030. This is supported by government through enabling policy like FAME2, production linked incentive for both vehicles and batteries. India sold about 4.4 lakh EVs in the 9 months of 2022 and targets to have about 80% of its 2 and 3-wheelers, 70% of the commercial vehicles on electric by 2030. EV charging business would require an investment to the tune of 1 lakh crore by 2032, as the country would probably have 2.30 lakh such facilities. Skillsonic brings on a 2-credit course titled Electric Vehicle Charging System Design, which would deliver critical course outcomes in hybrid mode through MATLAB simulation for a DC charger, designing and building a hardware model of a DC charger. The course would include charging circuit design, voltage regulation, selection and sizing of the charging system. The industry-specific case studies would add to their practical knowledge. This EV supporting ecosystem requires a large number of skilled engineers. Ola Electric has already set up one of the largest 2-wheeler factory near Hosur. Tata Motor is investing significantly. Other potential employers are Ather, TVS, Halo Electric, etc.